Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will describe some basic information about C like header file, preprocessor, preprocessor directive and something others. Okay, let's start. Header file. You can check my previous video to know some basic information about C. Header file. Another most component is header file in C. In C, information about the standard library function is found in various files supplied with your compiler. It declares the functions inside the program. We add these header files to include, which is called Preprocessor Directive. Preprocessor Directive. It tells the preprocessor to read in another file and include it with your program. A most important thing, we have to write header file with .h extension. Okay, let's move on to preprocessor. There are two types of preprocessor: predefined files. Files come with the compiler, and user-defined files that programmer creates. An example about that. I'll show something. Predefined, user-defined. Predefined, like this is preprocessor directive include, you have to write it. Okay, now let's see the preprocessor Stdio. It contains a lot of built-in function in C. Okay, and include conmu.h string.h and this is the same. All the time you have to write include, and with all the time you have to write all the time you have to start with has include and ends with .h extension. Okay, let's move on to user-defined preprocessor. User-defined preprocessor means some files that programmer creates to use later. Okay, let's see an example how to write it. You have to write it with hash include with double quotation, and it is all. Let's see an example. Think you are a programmer and you have to use your information in every program, so you have created a file like info.h. so you have to add it in this program, but it is not a predefined preprocessor like this one. Okay, it is user defined, so you have to use it in this program. You will use it like include info.h and it will works. It will show output if I put it information in these files. Okay, let's move on. Where are we? Some predefined preprocessor include Stdio, conmu, string, etc. As I said before, it's my notepad, and user-defined preprocessor like name, info, etc. As I said, every statement ends with semicolon, but you can see there is no semicolon after the hash include directive. Like you can see there is no semicolon there and also there. The reason is it is not a C statement or keyword that compiler can define. This one is not a statement, okay, or keyword. I will explain later about keyword. What is keyword and how many keyword C program has. Okay, the reason is it is not a C statement keyword that compiler can define. Instead, it is an instruction to the C compiler itself. Okay, let's see an example about this. Let's write something. Now okay, as you can see, hash include stdio.h and info. Okay, main function. The program will start from here, not from here. This is the directive. It will command your compiler to start getting information or function from here. This preprocessor studio.h. It's all for today. Hope you enjoy my video. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.